Jamaicans are being warned to brace for more price increases, this time in the price of pork and pork-related products. The Ministry of Agriculture says the increase should be between 13 and 20%. However, earlier today, the Jamaica Pig Farmers Association indicated that the prices could climb by as much as 80%. The association said the increases are likely because of a 28% jump in the price of animal feed. In the meantime, opposition spokesman on finance Julian Robinson is calling for the government to provide support to the country's most vulnerable amid the rising food prices.
A number of people have not recovered from COVID in terms of their capacity to work and to earn. And in an environment where people are still struggling to eke out a living, this is going to make food poverty even a bigger issue in the country. So I think it requires targeted support for those the most vulnerable, in particular the women who head most of our households and have to take care of their children. I think that is an absolutely necessary thing with these round of increases that we're seeing.
He says there are many Jamaicans who are currently not earning a wage.
You have to appreciate that there are people who have not worked since March of last year. And you also have a number of people in the informal sector who wake up in the morning, have to hustle during the day to ensure that they can find food in the evening. Many of those persons have been impacted as well. So there has to be some targeted, very targeted support to the most vulnerable so that people can just afford to eat. Food items have gone up significantly. Other items have also increased. If you check your hardware, basic things like zinc and other items have also gone up, items which people use for repairs and home building as well.